Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Outreach to verify your sequences and steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Outreach login page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the password field. Select the Login button. Once logged in, you will land on the Outreach dashboard. Locate the Sequences tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Sequences tab to view your existing sequences. To verify a specific sequence, find the sequence you want to check. Hover over the sequence name for additional options. Click on the sequence name to open its details. Review the steps within the sequence listed on the right. Check each step for any potential edits or updates. If you need to make changes, click on the Edit button. Make your necessary adjustments in the sequence editor. Once you're done, click the Save button to apply your changes. To verify another sequence, return to the main sequences page. Repeat the process as needed for each desired sequence. When finished, log out of your account for security. Close the web browser to complete your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.